Cooking dinner. Yeah, sweetheart, you're in charge, camera.
Oh, it's nice in there.
Is it only going to video for 20 minutes?
Yeah, it is. They've got their life sorted out here.
That's
Yeah.
a really good idea, the carrots though. You've both got the same.
Yeah, bowl of worms.
Well, I said, yeah, we should just do it together.
Is there a coat?
What we're
Coat
thinking,
hangers there.
we're thinking of only using one lot of beef. There's quite a lot there.
Aye.
And then we'll do a dessert or something.
Yes,
Does that sound right? Well, we'll see how this is when it's all cooked to the how much it's done.
Yeah, I was saying to Stephen, I'm not going to be that hungry. Well, I'm hungry.
Well, I've had a lot of
I don't
McDonald's.
want to make, like, a massive dinner.
Yeah.
Do you want like an olive? Do you like our little display of Coca-Cola and
Yeah, I was saying.
Easter eggs?
I like the Easter eggs.
Mm.
We should do Easter eggs.
I'm trying to get this as homely as possible.
Might close that door actually.
What the fuck? Is it alright if I put my coat on your coat with me?
What do you want? I'll cook it up. Did you buy one?
Mhm.
Let's cook it up. I saw that.
And John was like, nah.
Do you want a drink, Remy? There's Coke over there and there's mango on the fridge.
Coke.
Yeah, so.
Coke.
Coke, Liz.
Do you want a Coke?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Would you like it in the glass?
They've even got a display cabinet mini eggs.
Did you not see that as soon as you come in?
No. You were saying how that night is like the stars and things like the stars and that.
Can't see any stars like up there.
Oh, it's because the lights are on.
That's a good point.
I made a mistake. You know, I said earlier, I thought, oh, you can see the cloud difference. That's not cloud, it's the hill.
It's the mountains.
I honestly think
Do you know
it's
what? I
weird.
looked and I couldn't see what you were talking
Yeah,
about.
same.
I just sort of
Because
like,
we went outside just
Yeah,
now.
I agreed as well. I was like, yeah.
I was like, yeah, I can't see any. So the first week I learned to train in Quizify. And then you put clouds into colour.
Put it in one by one. No, do you want me to do it? You can break them up, but you have to do them. Put them in like one by one, otherwise they stick together in a big lump.
You just have to stir it.
No, my pasta's different. Yeah,
Jesus Christ, pasta everywhere. We'll have to clean up it tomorrow.
that's why I asked you what me to do.
Oh, I've got shit. How much more to put in there?
I don't know.
Put it in one by one.
Huh? Yeah, I know, right?
That'll be enough, won't it?
Yeah, I don't know how to measure pasta. One by one.
Does it expand even your one?
No, mine doesn't expand. It's just it goes soft and that's
Honestly,
it.
though, you can't taste the difference. If anything, I would say the gluten pasta's nicer.
No, not the spaghetti pasta. It does taste different. Normal pasta's alright. Huh?
Put that beef in the fridge.
Yeah.
Well, you should look in our fridge and freezer. How homely does that look?
It does.
Yes.
Almost like you can't
We've
see
got our mine, Courtney's.
Yeah.
Oh, yours is more for mine's more for lunch.
Yeah. My food's more expensive.
That's our condiments.
Yeah.
Have you got yours all packed out?
all the fridge stuff away.
The only problem with me filming is if I make a little like diary for YouTube, it's not going to get monetized. I had a problem with this. I filmed Lily eating food, Stephen. Filmed Lily eating food, and it got flagged on YouTube because my mum's radio was on the background, really quiet. I got like a strike against my channel. Here's Courtney dishing up dinner. Big meatballs.
Is that even?
Yeah, why not?
Homely adult stuff.
Yeah?
Homely adult stuff.
Adult stuff.
Yeah.
401-555-1125.
The baked beans. Where are they?
In there. No, that one. That one. Make a fryer. You've got waffles done? You've got waffles.
We get some more on today.
Huh?
A little bit back with
Do you want me to make sandwiches? Take with us.
Come back.
No, make sandwiches. I bought a sandwich bag.
Oh, I'm not filming breakfast, it's silly.